looks like Santa Claus has come to our house. Left the boys some nice presents there. Emily's nice present there. They're downstairs waiting to come up. So they're going to come up here very shortly. Hey, Katy, let me turn the light on, okay?
Okay, turn the big light on too.
All right, guess what?
What?
Don't come up, but Santa did come. Hold tight, though, okay? I don't want to get where I can man the camera. All right, you guys, come on in.
Oh my god.
Oh my!
Oh my god.
Awesome!
Cool.
That is way cool. Guys, it's not too hard to fly either.
Yeah, Andrew, it says pre-installed game.
This is
Which one game?
all right, guys. Listen, when y'all are using the helicopter, you got to be extra careful, okay?
Yep, we know.
We need to probably not do it when you have too much Emily around or whatever. You got to have a place to land it.
I know.
And
It looks like it's going so slow because it's going so fast.
yeah. It's not gonna hit you, Emily.
Bro, the inside can hold a lot of stuff. I thought that thing was like right there. It's
Yeah.
so powerful.
Blowing a lot of air.
Wind blowing.
I thought that thing was right here. Not there.
Hey Emily, did you see Santa Claus brought us a new bat? So replace the broken one?
No. I knew that.
Yeah, remember the accident and broke the other one?
Uh-huh.
You gonna put that one in the basket over there with our Lisa?
Uh-huh.
Excellent.
Boy, we got a new bat.
Let's see if I can bring this thing in for a landing.
We got a new bat, boys. To play. Mommy,
Yeah. This looks like a lot of fun.
Mommy, I got a long candy cane.
That is cool. It's full of Hershey Kisses too, your favorite.
Uh-huh. It has
You can find me a landing zone.
right there,
I'll put your new movie in here, okay, baby girl?
laying on the ground.
Emily, don't hit it with anything.
Okay.
Okay, so I need a little more space than that. Despite the appearances that I don't have quite as much control over this thing as I do, it's mostly just stable.
It should be set up.
Okay.
Why don't you go get your boxes of stuff out of your playhouse and I'll get them, I'll unbox your baby dolls.
That's one way to land it. It's got the engine.
Sweet.
How old are you?
7.
7 years old, and he is ready to fly the helicopter. He just got it this morning. There it is, sitting on the chair. His brother is 3 feet away, right there.
Playing
Not,
inside.
Not paying attention. All right, Chase, go ahead. Oh. All right, let's go for a rerun there. Reset it. Now don't accidentally bump the power. You got the power on, Chase. Power down. All the way off now. You always got to keep the power all the way off. Let's try that again. Very carefully. Reposition it. Make sure your battery is seated in there. Nice. Did it pop out entirely?
No, not entirely.
It is off a little bit, or what?
It popped off like that.
That's fine. Is it seated in there real good now? Okay, put it on another takeoff platform. Just put it in the middle of the floor there, along with the gifts that are still sitting in the floor. All right, you ready? Get it up and off the floor quickly. There you go. There he is. Oh, off. There you go. That's good, Chase. Good. Once you know you've over controlled it a little bit, it's going to crash. And take all the power out so it crashes with the least likelihood of damage. Now you slid it across the carpet. I'll just tell you one thing: when you slide that, it can get caught on a little carpet fiber that you don't even see. But I don't think it did that. Go ahead and give it a shot. Go ahead. Huh? Fiber. Mommy, watch out for a second, baby. Off. Good, Chase. Okay.
Hey, Emily, look at this.
You did great. That's good.
Allie.
It's not bad. Your first few landings, maybe your first 30 landings are gonna be crashes like that. Oops, hold on, I'll help you. I have the controls. He's starting to get it a little bit today. This is only about his second time to fly it. Doing pretty good. The helicopter will crash. We've taught him how to just cut the power so you reduce the likelihood of damaging something. Oh, he's landed it. Good job, Andrew. Amongst all the Christmas junk we're still cleaning up, packaging. Very good. Gonna take off again. Oh my goodness. Very good. Very good. Chase, you're fine. Andrew, you're fine. Good. You didn't over control it. Kathy, my mother stepped away. Good job, Andrew. Yep. Oop, Kathy, you need to be real careful. Don't back into it. There you go, Andrew. Drop it. Good job. Nice, safe landing. How many? That's 3 or 4 good landings in a row. Andrew, how do you enjoy the helicopter?
It's fun once you learn how to use it.
Yeah. How old are you?
9
And when did you get this?
today. This morning.
Very
About
good.
7.
And how many times have you flown it?
This is my second time.
Very good.
And I only flew it once, and I can never get a perfect landing.
Oops.
There you go.